Introducing red leaf, Syzygium myrtlepolium of the family Myrtaceae. Red leaf, commonly known as the myrtle leaf Syzygium, is a species of flowering plant belonging to the family Myrtaceae. It is characterized by a range of features that make it noteworthy for both ornamental use and ecological significance. Red leaf is native to tropical regions and is often found in humid forest environments. It is prevalent in parts of Southeast Asia, including countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. The plant thrives in well-draining soils and benefits from high humidity and temperatures typical of tropical climates. Ridley plays an integral role in its habitat. The plant provides food and shelter for a variety of animal species. The vibrant red berries attract birds, insects, and mammals, which help in seed dispersal, facilitating the propagation of the species. Additionally, the foliage serves as a habitat for numerous insects and smaller animals, contributing to the region's rich biodiversity. Besides its ecological importance, red leaf holds cultural and medicinal value in various communities. The fruits are often consumed fresh or made into jam, jellies, and beverages, offering a delightful flavor that is both sweet and tangy. In traditional medicine, parts of the plant are believed to possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties.